Hey everyone, today I'm in Mutiara, Damansara, Jaya. I'm here to try an Italian bread called the focaccia. This one is made by a local. Her name is Ling. So I've saw some of the photos where she shared online, and I'm very curious. It looks really good. Let's go and check out Ling's Focacceria. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Sorry, my Italian friends, if you're watching this. Let's go. So I'm on Jalan PJU 7/16. You just waste to this place. You reach Ling Focacceria. Focaccias, sandwiches, soups. So it's a small shop. Not many places for you to sit, but very cozy. So you go in here, open the door, and you reach the shop. Okay. So their opening hours are Tuesday, Thursday, 9 a.m. to 6. Friday, Sunday, and public holidays, 9 a.m. to 6. Yeah, basically every day, 9 a.m. to 6. Tuesday, Thursday. I think Monday they off. Yeah, Monday here is off. I didn't see Monday. Nice restaurant. Very clean. So it's a very small sitting. They encourage you to take and go lah. Okay. They have a gourmet coffee for sale here. Cookies, cake. No thanks. This is tortilla. Okay. Interesting. Chef at work. I can smell the aroma from here. And you will notice the kitchen here is very clean. I think this is the cleanest kitchen I've seen before, actually. Many places I've been. The kitchen here is well maintained, very clean. Okay, I can really smell it. Very nice. Is that my...
Monsieur.
Oh, I can't pronounce it, sorry.
Okay.
But it looks good. It smells good too. Thank you. So this is my focaccia monsieur. I'm supposed to have this with my hand, is it?
Can give with your hands or also you can
Oh, fork. Okay. I think the hand experience is the best. But let me just get a... Oh, this is my... Okay, thank you. Looks good too. Wow, tortilla chips on the side. Oh, tempeh. Okay, does look like a bit of tortilla. So these are tempeh chips. This is half of focaccia monsieur. Okay. And then this is my gochujang focaccia with some tempeh chips on the side. Let's start with the tempeh chips. Focaccia. So it serves this way. You want to take your utensil or not, it's up to you. But it's supposed to be easy for you to eat like this. Alright, bring it down. Bread is hot. You can taste the otak-otak. It's not spicy. Vegetable here. Soft. The bread is also soft. Very soft. Fluffy. You want to know? That's just how good it is. You can have this for lunch. The moment I eat, like I start biting, I want to finish the whole thing. That's how good it is. Mongkok fossil. So I will take the mongkok fossil. Supposed to dip it with the sauce here if I want to. I'm going to try dip it with the sauce, alright? So I add a bit ham. Little bit of sauce. There's a sauce here. Put it on top a bit. Let's try a bit more. This is grilled cheese, one form of the grilled cheese. Okay, that's it. I think my hands are also dirty with food. So if you are around the corner, I'm at Ling Focacceria in Mutiara, Damansara. Just waste Ling Focacceria. I will leave the description and address and description down below. Okay. Till next time, this is Kenny here. Bye bye.